Tired of complicated trailer wiring setups that eat up your time and patience? Imagine hooking up your trailer in seconds, with no cutting, splicing, or guesswork involved. This plug-in trailer wiring harness is designed to give your Dodge truck a standard 4-pin connector, making towing easier and more reliable than ever. This isn't just any wiring kit. It's custom-made for select Dodge models, including the D100, D150, D250, D350, Ram 50, Ramcharger, W100, W150, W250, W350, Dakota, B250, and Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500. That means the fit is precise, the wiring lengths are just right, and installation is a breeze. No need to cut or splice factory wiring. You simply plug into the existing connectors and get a secure, OEM-compatible connection. One user shared how perfectly it fit their 2003 PT Cruiser, noting the wires were the exact length needed and the control box tucked neatly out of sight. While the instructions might leave a little to be desired, the design itself makes the process straightforward. The ergonomic plug design with grip tabs helps you connect or disconnect your trailer wiring without hassle. Beyond ease of installation, this harness includes a durable rubber dust cover to protect the connector when it's not in use. That means your wiring stays clean and weather-resistant through all kinds of outdoor conditions. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in longevity and performance. Whether you're heading to your favorite fishing spot, a scenic campsite, or the next job site, having a reliable trailer wiring connection is essential. This CURT custom wiring harness delivers just that, using advanced technology to ensure your trailer lights, brake signals, and turn signals work flawlessly every time you tow. If you're ready to upgrade your towing setup without the headache of complicated wiring, this vehicle-specific harness is worth a look. It offers a fast, secure, and clean solution that fits your Dodge truck perfectly. Try it when you're ready to tow with confidence and ease.